this part, we would like to show you how to set up the Fabius GS Premium. First, we check the central gas supply connections. Connect the central gas supply hoses for oxygen, medical air and nitrous oxide to the outlets on the rear side of the anesthesia machine. Connect the central gas supply hoses to the relevant outlets in the wall. Check the central gas supply pressures on the pressure gauges located on the front of the Fabius GS Premium. The respective indicator should be within the green zone. To connect gas cylinders to the optional pin index cylinder supply on the back of the device, first remove the plug from the gas cylinder holder. Inspect the old sealing washer and replace it if needed. Make sure that both pin index pins are present below the gas inlet. Then insert the cylinder head from below into the cylinder holder and allow the pin index pins to engage in the pin index holes. If required, the gas cylinder valve can be opened with the supplied wrench. The breathing system is called COSY, short for Compact Breathing System. For preparation of the COSY, make sure that all parts are present. Fit the COSY onto the mount located on the mounting arm. Connect the fresh gas hose from the base unit to the COSY. Attach the ventilator hose to the piston ventilator and to the conical connector port on the bottom side of the COSY. Make sure that the optional water trap is at the lowest point of the connection. To insert the flow sensor, unscrew and remove the expiratory port from the COSY. Insert the flow sensor and reinstall the expiratory port. Connect the breathing bag and the patient breathing hoses to breathing bag, inspiratory hose and expiratory hose ports on the COSY. All filters that will be used during operation should be installed as well, in order to include them into the self-test. In this case, we will use a filter on the Y-piece for demonstration purposes. Place the filter on the park position on the breathing bag port of the COSY. Push the oxygen sensor into the opening on the inspiratory port. Plug the control hoses onto the connection port on the PEEP PMAX valve and the APL bypass valve. Connect the volume line cable and press the pressure measuring line onto the corresponding connectors on the bottom side of the COSY. Do not squeeze the pressure measuring line during installation. Connect the COSY heater to the respective port on the bottom side of the COSY. Install the CO2 absorber. Here we use the disposable CO2 absorber. Make sure that all measuring lines and sensor cables are securely fitted on their corresponding ports on the connector panel. For the assembly of the Anaesthetic gas scavenging system, hook the receiving system into place on the rear side of the Fabius GS Premium. Then place the transfer hose between the receiving unit and the COSY. Finally, connect the scavenging hose from the receiving system to the central disposal system. To check correct operation of the waste gas disposal system, the float indicator in the flow tube should stay between the upper and lower marks. Switch on the machine by using the on-off switch on the rear of the machine. Install the vaporizers onto the vaporizer mount on the front of the Fabius GS Premium.